Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The OnePlus 15 in its primary color sand dunes finish, this one feels like something truly special. I'd even say it's one of the most interesting generations of OnePlus phones so far. And today I'm going to reveal all the hidden details behind this stunning device. Let's start with the design. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. The moment I saw the OnePlus 15, I was honestly impressed. It's not one of those flashy, overly saturated colors that scream for attention. Instead, it's subtle, calm, and elegant. The soft, sand-like tone gives it a premium, understated vibe, while still feeling unique and textured. What's cool is that the design also quietly pays homage to the sci-fi classic Dune. Everything about its design feels deliberate, from the simple, smooth lines to the perfectly matched curves. The rounded corners of the frame, display, and camera module all share the same R-angle, which makes the entire phone look incredibly balanced and pleasing to the eye. Both sides of the mid-frame feature a micro-arc design that helps the edges flow smoothly into the body, making it super comfortable to hold. Honestly, the first time I picked it up, I noticed how cold and solid the frame felt, and I immediately knew something was different. Turns out that's because the OnePlus 15 is made from aerospace-grade nano-magnetic metal, a material typically used in the aerospace industry. And this is actually the first time it's ever been used in a smartphone. Apart from that cool ice skin touch, this metal comes with some serious advantages. It's harder than titanium, 5 times more resistant to wear and scratches, and it dissipates heat extremely well. The color stays true even after years of use, and here's the best part, it's 100% recyclable. So it's not just high-end and durable, it's also eco-friendly. Definitely an all-rounder when it comes to materials. Now, let's talk craftsmanship. I actually got the chance to visit the factory and see how this aerospace-grade nano-magnetic metal is made for the OnePlus 15. It all starts with rows of aluminum alloy mid-frames. They're placed into oxidation tanks, where they slowly take on that reddish hue during the quenching and forging process. In simple terms, this process grows a thin layer of nanoceramic on the surface of the metal, kind of like giving the aluminum a tough ceramic skin. This is how they achieve that subtle yet classy sand tone. But there's a twist. OnePlus uses its own ion coloring process, which ensures that the color won't fade or change over time, no matter how long you use it. There's also another impressive touch, the nanoscale sealing process. Basically, it makes the connection between the mid-frame and the camera module tighter and smoother, giving the phone better corrosion resistance and making it less likely to pick up dirt or stains. Here's a quick heads up. This unique aerospace metal is exclusive to the Sand Dunes version of the OnePlus 15. Even though we've just scratched the surface, I already have a strong feeling that a lot of people are going to fall in love with this generation of OnePlus. The official launch is right around the corner, and I can't wait to dive deeper into it. I'll be doing a detailed, full review of the OnePlus 15 once it officially releases. So if you don't want to miss that, make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our tech family.